In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your QuickBooks Online data and start over. We all know that sometimes in our business journey, things can get a little messy and a fresh start becomes necessary. Whether you've been experimenting with QuickBooks Online and things have gotten a bit out of hand, or you're starting a new business cycle and want to begin with a clean slate, this guide is for you. First things first, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the QuickBooks website and look for the sign in option. You should see this at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and you'll be prompted to choose between various QuickBooks services. Ensure that you select QuickBooks Online to proceed. Next, it's time to enter your login credentials. Take a moment to carefully type in your username and password, then hit continue to access your account. It's always a good idea to double check that the details are correct to avoid any login issues. Now here's an important part, you'll need to modify the URL. Once you're logged in, go to your browser's address bar and carefully delete everything in the URL that appears after the word AP-. It's a small detail, but it plays a crucial role in resetting your data. This effectively brings up a fresh page. After modifying the URL, type in purge company, yes, all one word, and press enter. This action initiates the purge process. It's essentially QuickBooks' way of acknowledging that you want to clear all your data and start anew, so make sure you are absolutely ready to proceed. At this point, you'll notice a prompt at the bottom right corner of your screen requesting confirmation. All you need to do is type yes in the provided field. This confirmation helps prevent accidental purges, serving as a safeguard to ensure that you're fully committed to resetting your data. Once you've entered yes, click on the OK button to finalize the process. Clicking OK acts as your final go-ahead, telling QuickBooks to proceed with wiping all existing data from your account and preparing your account for a fresh start. And that's it. Your QuickBooks Online data is now deleted, giving you a clean, fresh start to manage your business finances. Remember that resetting your data is irreversible, so it's always wise to back up any essential information before proceeding. If you're doing this for the first time, take it slow and feel free to watch the video again if needed. Thank you for watching and enjoy your refreshed QuickBooks Online journey.